Hi, welcome to Party Food Hero. I'm Aaron. Today we're going to be making pancakes. Delicious, fluffy, super easy to make pancakes. No need to go to the diner. If you're throwing an amazing brunch or breakfast or whatever, these are the pancakes that you will want to make. Let's go check it out. Here are the ingredients to make amazing pancakes. These are gonna be the best pancakes you ever had. The best, they're gonna be the best pancakes, the most successful pancakes. All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add in some flour. Next, you're gonna add in some salt. Then you're gonna sweeten things up with a little bit of azúcar or sugar. Then you're gonna add in your baking powder. This is what's gonna make them nice and fluffy. Now you're just gonna mix those dry ingredients together. And next we're going to make a little section in the middle to add in the wet ingredients. So now you're gonna add in your beaten egg. Next, you are going to add in your milk. Just pour it on in there. And then next you're gonna add in your melted butter. All of these flavors or all these ingredients just create the most delicious tasting pancake. It's fantastic. So I used to use like the instant pancake mix and thought, whatever, it's probably the same as just making it yourself. It's not. Trust me, this is way better. They're fluffier, they're more flavorful, they are delicious. Definitely make these. So anyways, you're gonna mix this all together until it's nice and smooth. And you're gonna heat up your pan or griddle or whatever you want to use to cook these. Heat it up to about medium high heat. And then we're gonna scoop a little on there and we're gonna cook us up some flapjacks. Pancakes. So once your pan gets warm enough, you're gonna take a scoop of your delicious pancake batter and you're going to place it ever so gently into your pan. Look at that. So smooth. Now, is this going to come out perfectly round? No, because I didn't put it in there perfect. But it comes out perfectly delicious, and that's all that really matters. All right, so you'll know that the pancake is ready to be flipped when you start seeing some bubbles come towards the surface, and then you flip it on over. So I will show you what you are looking for right now. So that's what you're looking for. You can kind of see the bubbles slightly coming up. Now, this also depends on how hot you have your pan. If you have it super hot, you're gonna have bubbles coming up vigorously. Mine's at a medium, so they're coming up pretty slowly, but I can tell that they are trying to breach the surface of this pancake batter. So I know that they are ready to, this pancake in particular is ready to flip. See that little one, that little burst of air? So then you're gonna take it, you're gonna flip it over. And then the next question is, well, how do you know when it's done on the other side? And here's the secret. A lot of people won't tell you this. You just look. So after you flip it over, I did not do a very good job of flipping it, but you can also see, like, look at how that rises. These are just so fluffy. I love this recipe. But yeah, so you probably wait a couple of minutes and then you just check. You check to see if it looks like it's done or not. And then you take it off and you put on all your favorite fixins. So you can do your maple syrup, your butter, whatever you want. I know people that put peanut butter on there. I know people that put nothing at all. Actually, I don't know anyone that actually puts nothing on. That's insane. But I did make a delicious blueberry compote that the recipe will be on partyfoodhero.com. It's amazing. It takes these pancakes to another level. It's really good and it's super easy to make. So look out for that. I will show you how delicious it is when I put it on top of the pancakes, and you are going to want to make it because it's amazing. And then I also made some fresh whipped cream, which is also delicious and super easy to make and is on partyfoodhero.com if you ever want to know how to make your own fresh whipped cream. Look how beautiful these pancakes are. Just a nice, perfect, dark golden brown. And now we're gonna add a little bit of that blueberry compote, which is so easy to make. And if you make this for a brunch for your friends, they're gonna think you are an amazing chef, but joke's on them. Oh, you are an amazing chef. But it is a really easy thing to make. So put a little bit of that blueberry compote right on top, and then you're gonna top that with some freshly whipped cream, and you're gonna have the most amazing pancakes you've ever had. But if you don't like blueberries, you don't like whipped cream, put whatever you want. The base of this is amazing. So just the pancakes themselves, amazing, fantastic. Now for my favorite part. All right, now for my favorite part of the video. We get to eat the pancakes. Now, as you can see, the pancakes, very easy to make, simple ingredients, turns out delicious. These are fluffy, these are packed with flavor, and they're just perfect. Perfect for brunch, perfect for anytime you want pancakes. You have it for dinner, go camping, whatever. These are great. And then also what's amazing is the blueberry compote that we made. Super easy to make as well. That recipe will be on partyfoodhero.com under the pancake recipe. So amazing. If you love blueberries, this is an amazing recipe. It's like 3 ingredients, really easy to make, makes a huge difference. Then we have fresh whipped cream, also super easy to make, also on partyfoodhero.com. So check it out there. All right, so here we go. I'm very hungry, so I like to kind of mix stuff together. So we're gonna smash it all down, and then let's try and it's so fluffy. These are so darn fluffy. Let's take a bite. Look at that, how fluffy that is. You can see it? I don't know, I can, and it is. They're delicious. It's like perfect. It's a perfect pancake. It's really good. It's really, really good. And then you also, obviously you get the fluffiness from the pancake, warm, fluffy, delicious. And then that blueberry compote on top, mixed with a little bit of that, a little bit of the fresh whipped cream is amazing. Now, obviously you can put whatever you want on it. You can put whatever, syrup and butter, whatever you like to put on it. I just happen to have some extra blueberries and I wanted to use them before they went bad. So there you go. Make it next time you make breakfast, make some amazing pancakes. Yeah, I've used the pre-made pancake mixture that you just put water into it. Those are whatever. These are so much better, so much better. I didn't think it's gonna make that big of a difference. I honestly thought it was gonna be like, it's kind of the same, not really worth the time, but these are easy to make anyway. So just make from scratch pancakes, huge difference. So do that. And follow us on Instagram at partyfoodhero. Go to partyfoodhero.com for all the recipes. There's a bunch of different recipes there. It's only the recipes. It's not my life story. You don't have to hit any buttons to go down to the recipe. The recipe's just right there. It's there. It's easy. Check it out. Delicious pancakes. You're gonna love them. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. And there you go. That's everything. And remember, be the party food hero. I can't wait to finish this because they were so delicious. Look how fluffy that is.
Be the party food hero.
So good.